Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to save item to purchase later and how you can use the favorite features. So in order to use or save the purchase items later, what you'll have to do is first thing, go ahead and log in into your Etsy account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. First of all, you need to go ahead and look that you wish to save it for later. So let's say that I'm going to go with the following item. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the item details. And here you have this lot of information. So the one way what you can do is in order to save it for later, you could go ahead and mark it as wish list or add it to your favorite by tapping on the heart icon located right on top. Or else you could also go ahead and add the following product to your cart by tapping or selecting all of the information, and then you can go ahead and tap the add to cart button, which is right over here. You can go ahead and first of all select the details regarding the product, and then you have to go ahead and when you do that, it's going to take you to the cart page, or it's going to be saved there. And whenever you wish to buy the following product, you could go ahead and tap on the buy now button and you'll be able to proceed on to checkout. So that's basically how you can save item to purchase later. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.